PC. 1. Check your audio device. Make sure the correct playback device is selected. Right-click the speaker icon, open sound settings, choose the correct output device, headphones or speakers. If using USB or Bluetooth headsets, ensure they are set as default. 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers often cause no sound. Realtek, AMD, Intel, update via Device Manager, sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click Update Driver. Optional, check manufacturer website for latest driver downloads. Restart your PC after updating drivers. Another 3. Check in-game audio settings. Launch Crimson Desert, settings, audio. Ensure master volume is not muted. Check music, effects, voice volumes. If using surround sound, try stereo as a test. 4. Disable conflicting audio software. Some software like Voicemeeter, Nahimic, or Sonic Studio can conflict with the game. Close or temporarily disable these programs, then restart the game. Number 5. Verify game files. Corrupted files can cause missing audio. Steam. Library right-click Crimson Desert, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Other launchers have similar repair options. Number 6. Update Windows and Sound APIs. Make sure Windows is up to date. Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Number 7. Disable audio enhancements. Windows enhancements sometimes cause issues. 1. Right-click speaker, open sound settings, device properties, additional device properties, enhancements tab, check disable all enhancements, apply. Hover 8. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Crimson Desert, properties, compatibility, check run this program as administrator. This allows the game proper access to audio devices. 9. Check for external audio devices. If using USB DACs, external sound cards, or HDMI audio via GPU, ensure device is properly connected, selected as default in Windows sound settings. Quick tips: restart PC after any driver or Windows update. Test sound in another game or media player to isolate the issue. Temporarily disable audio-related software like Discord overlay or streaming apps.